So I went on a Facebook Marketplace buying spree. Now, it's got just one of the default models that comes with it. And someone had some of the leftover water washable resin. Let's see how they all do. That's strange. Okay, so I've got two going. See if I can figure out what's wrong with this. It's chooching. They chooching. This one needed a firmware update, so it's running a little behind, but we're gonna see. And then we gotta get the big boy and the cheap boy both running. That'll be good. Alright. Got one model. I got a 2 model, along with some light bleed that I need to address. This one's still got some chooching. Yeah. That's 3 confirmed working printers. Satisfactory. Alright, just gonna have to finish curing these before I trim the rest of that support material off. But that's perfect. All 3. Woo! Alright, let's let them chooch. That's not a great start. I'm gonna stop that real fast. Eh. Yeah, get the hell off. No, don't stick to the thing. No, off. Off. Thank you. Yeah, that bed surface ain't gonna work. Well, the settings are fucked, but at least the printer works. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna let this run or not. But, yeah. The old junker is still working. Oh yeah, lots better, lots better. That's my secret piece of drawing paper for the bed coating. Surprised more people don't do it. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Let's see what the new one does. Alright, so leveled this one. It's heating up. We're going to see if this is just a file that was on the SD card when I bought this thing. We'll see if something comes out. I don't know if it's been proved out or anything, but we'll see. Good start. Looks like a good start. I don't know. That support material looks screwy. This kind of looks like it was a resin print and then somebody just made it for FDM. I'll tear it off and see how it do. Yeah. Well, you know, it ain't no resin printer, but it works. I have 5 working printers. Well, 4, 5 once I rewire this plug. This thing doesn't have a switch on it, so I'm putting a switch on it. Oh yeah. Gotta wire a power switch. This cheap-ass kit. No, this cheap-ass kit didn't come with a power switch. You just plug it in and it's going. Let's fix that. Alright. Time to smoke test the switch. Alright. Nothing yet. Okay, cool. My indicator works. Everything else works. Yeah, I'll take it. Well, I got some more organizing to do and picking up and cleaning, but the 3D print farm is ready to print. Farm. Print, farm, print. Something. Something awesome.